A powerhouse partnership Tether invests $775 million in Rumble. Rumble Inc., the popular video sharing platform, experienced a significant surge in its stock price today. This follows a groundbreaking announcement of a $775 million strategic investment from Tether, the renowned stablecoin issuer. This partnership marks a pivotal moment for both companies, signaling a potential shift in the digital content and cryptocurrency landscape. It'll be very interesting to see how this plays out. The investment from Tether is a resounding vote of confidence in Rumble's vision and growth trajectory. It also underscores the increasing convergence between traditional tech companies and the world of blockchain technology. This move has sent ripples through the financial markets, piquing the interest of investors and analysts alike. Diving into the deal share purchase and fund allocation. The $775 million investment involves Tether acquiring a significant chunk of newly issued Rumble shares. This strategic move grants Tether a considerable equity stake in the video sharing platform. While the exact purchase price per share is undisclosed, sources reveal it represents a premium over Rumble's current market value. The investment funds will be strategically allocated to fuel Rumble's ambitious growth plans. These plans include bolstering its technological infrastructure to accommodate a rapidly expanding user base. Furthermore, a portion of the funds will be directed towards securing exclusive content deals and expanding Rumble's global footprint. Market reaction: Rumble's stock soars on investment news. The news of Tether's substantial investment sent Rumble's stock price skyrocketing in early trading. Investors cheered the partnership, interpreting it as a transformative deal for Rumble. Market analysts expressed positive sentiments, with many revising their price targets for Rumble's stock upwards. Several analysts highlighted the potential synergies between Rumble and Tether, emphasizing the combined reach and capabilities of both entities. The investment is viewed as a catalyst for accelerated growth, positioning Rumble as a formidable contender in the highly competitive video sharing landscape. A glimpse into the future. Potential collaborations and investor insights. The collaboration between Rumble and Tether opens up several exciting possibilities. One potential area of synergy is the integration of Tether's stablecoin, USDT, into Rumble's platform. This could facilitate seamless and transparent microtransactions between content creators and viewers, fostering a more equitable and rewarding ecosystem. Investors are advised to closely monitor the progress of the transaction and its subsequent impact on Rumble's operational and financial performance. Additionally, paying heed to Rumble's strategic initiatives, particularly in content acquisition and technological advancements, will provide valuable insights into the company's growth trajectory.